Hi everyone, let's discuss a scholarship opportunity for prospective students interested in studying in Japan. Hooray! This is a paid internship in Japan. Before I continue, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for similar videos on Meet Charles Show. Fully funded OIST Internship Program in Japan 2025 and beyond. Host institute is Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology. OIST Internship 2025 location is Japan. OIST Fall Internship 2025. Period is from the 1st of October 2025 to the 31st of March 2026. OIST. Paid internship duration is 3 to 6 months. Applications are open for the OIST Internship Program in Japan 2025. The OIST research offers an exciting opportunity for international students eager to engage in research within advanced labs utilizing cutting-edge technology. This Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology internship allows students to explore and learn more about Japanese culture. Are you concerned about expenses? Rest assured, the fully funded research internship program will cover all costs of the summer internship in Japan, including accommodation and travel. Moreover, IELTS TOEFL is not required for the OIST Internship Program 2025. The duration of the fall internship program will be between 3 and 6 months. There will be no extension for the OIST Japan Internship 2025. Moreover, the Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology is a private, interdisciplinary graduate school in Orna, Japan, offering several research opportunities for graduate students in cutting-edge fields, such as neuroscience, physics, and computer science. The university's faculty comprises renowned researchers and professors from around the globe, contributing to its status as a hub for cutting-edge research. State-of-the-art research facilities, laboratories, and equipment enhance the institute's research capabilities. The Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology aims to establish itself as a world-class research institute, driving scientific breakthroughs and advancements in various areas of science and technology. Furthermore, they seek to tackle complex problems with innovative approaches by fostering collaboration among scientists from diverse backgrounds and fields. Furthermore, the Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology Internship Program 2025 provides an opportunity to work alongside Japanese professionals, allowing participants to learn new approaches to work, develop cross-cultural communication skills, and understand diverse work ethics and practices. Additionally, international opportunities expand learning and career prospects, making the OIST Research Internship Program 2024 an excellent choice for all international students. Therefore, do not hesitate to apply for this Japan internship today. You can also explore other international internships on our website. Further details about the OIST Internship 2025 are provided below. Therefore, listen carefully to the details before starting the OIST Internship Program 2025 application. You must take advantage of this opportunity to gain valuable experience. However, before you start the application, check the eligibility criteria and requirements of the OIST Internship 2025 in Japan to ensure your eligibility. Eligibility criteria for OIST Internship Program 2025. Students in the final 2 years of their undergraduate or master's program at universities, colleges, and vocational schools are eligible to apply for the OIST Internship Program 2025. Furthermore, recent graduates of such institutions are also eligible to apply for the OIST Internship 2025 in Japan. Applicants should have an excellent academic background to enter this OIST Internship program. Currently, enrolled students must have the approval of their home institution. If you are a student, confirm with your institution before applying for an OIST internship. Applicants' academic background should be relevant to their desired host units at OIST. You must be thinking about the benefits this OIST Fall 2025 internship will provide to international students. Opportunities Circle has listed the benefits of the OIST Internship Japan and its financial coverage below. Benefits of OIST Internship in Japan 2025 include: interns will receive round-trip tickets through this Okinawa internship. They will also provide support to help you gain a visa for an international internship in Japan. Accommodation on or off campus will also be provided to the OIST intern in Japan. Moreover, the interns of the OIST Internships in Japan 2025 will receive a stipend of 2,400 JPY per day, non-taxable and weekends excluded. They will also provide a commuting allowance or shuttle bus pass. OIST Fall Internship 2025 is an opportunity to work in top international labs. Explore Japanese culture through this fully funded OIST Internship Program 2025. OIST Internship in Japan 2025 allows international students to visit Japan and work with leading researchers. This OIST RI Program 2025 will be an excellent addition to your resume. The internship will help interns gain valuable experience in Japan and open doors to further international opportunities. Requirements of OIST Internship in Japan 2025. The following documents must be attached to the online application for the OIST Research Internship in Japan. Incomplete applications for OIST internships will not be considered, therefore make sure to submit the application and the documents. ID, photo, passport, transcript and diploma, statement of purpose. A letter of recommendation from work or school. OIST Internship Japan research projects include Analysis and Partial Differential Equations Unit, Integrative Community, Ecology Unit, Nonlinear and Non-Equilibrium. Physics Unit, Evolutionary Genomics Unit, Quantum Systems, Fluid Mechanics Unit, Applied Cryptography Unit, Femtosecond Spectroscopy Unit, Computational Neuroscience Unit, Complexity Science and Evolution Unit, Neural Computation Unit, Networked Quantum Devices Unit, Electronic and Quantum Magnetism Unit, Embodied Cognitive Science Unit, Neural Coding and Brain Computing Unit, Synapse Biology Unit, Biological Systems Unit, Qubits and Spacetime Unit, Evolution, Cell Biology and Symbiosis Unit, Organic Optoelectronics Unit, Coordination Chemistry and Catalysis Unit, Evolutionary and Synthetic Biology Unit, Quantum Dynamics Unit, Optical Neuroimaging, Membrane Cooperativity, Marine Eco, Evo-Devo Unit, Protein Engineering and Evolution Unit, Geometric Partial Differential Equations Unit, Pi Conjugated Polymers Unit, Genomics and Regulatory Systems Unit, Developmental Neurobiology, Cell Proliferation and Gene Editing Unit, Quantum Engineering and Design, Organic and Carbon Nanomaterials. Unit, Quantum Gravity, Quantum Information, Science and Technology. Unit, Light-Matter Interactions for Quantum Technologies. Unit, Quantum Materials, Science, Biological Nonlinear Dynamics Data Science Unit, Human Evolutionary Genomics Unit, Biological Complexity Unit, Energy Materials and Surface Sciences, Unit, Marine Climate Change Unit, Computational Neuroethology Unit, Molecular Genetics Unit, Complex Fluids and Flows, Unit, Marine Macroevolution Unit, Marine Genomics Unit, Plant Epigenetics Unit, Theory of Quantum Matter Unit, Micro/Bio/Nanofluidics Unit, Quantum Wave Microscopy Unit, Marine Structural Biology Unit, Model-Based Evolutionary Genomics Unit, Biological Physics Theory Unit, Experimental Quantum Information Physics Unit, Chemistry and Chemical Bioengineering Unit, Memory Research Unit, Cognitive Neurorobotics Unit, Molecular Neuroscience Unit, Shocks, Solitons and Turbulence Unit, Gravity, Quantum Geometry and Field Theory Unit, Human Developmental Neurobiology Unit, Quantum Machines Unit, Neuronal Rhythms and Movement Unit, Evolutionary Neurobiology Unit, Neurobiology Research Unit, Machine Learning and Data Science, MLDS Unit, Cell Signaling Unit, Neuronal Mechanisms for the Critical Period Unit, Nucleic Acid, Chemistry and Engineering Unit, Neural Circuit Unit, Analysis of Metric Spaces Unit. Keep in mind that financial coverage is fully funded. The deadline for this year and probably next year is mid-April. Remember to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. Your support means everything to us.